Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Inefala wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with 2.5K cam. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can enjoy the portable CarPlay Android Auto screen, easily accessing your phone's music, navigation, podcasts, calls, messages, and more while driving. Voice control via Siri or Google Assistant ensures you have a safer and more convenient driving experience. 9.3-inch HD, IPS screen and mirror link. Android/iOS wireless mirroring. All interfaces of the phone, video, GPS navigation, movies, music, and more, will be synchronized on the Apple CarPlay mount touchscreen. High-resolution 1600x600 and ultra-wide angle allow you to watch movies and videos even in broad daylight. Enjoy an immersive clear viewing experience. Car DVR with 2.5K HD loop recording. This Apple CarPlay screen comes with a 2.5K ultra-wide-angle front dash cam and supports 1080p backup camera, included. After inserting the SD card, wireless CarPlay screen will automatically enter recording mode, and the front and rear views can be displayed on the screen at the same time. After downloading and installing the software, the mobile phone can view the camera screen or video playback online. Upgrade dual Bluetooth. This Apple CarPlay screen has Bluetooth for more reliable wireless connectivity and pairing. The built-in speaker and hands-free function allow you to make smoother phone calls, listen to music, and even control with your voice via your device's Google or Siri assistant. In the CarPlay and Android Auto connection state, the mobile phone can connect to the original car Bluetooth through BT to play audio from the original car speaker. 3 audio output options. The CarPlay touchscreen for car has built-in speakers. You can play sound through your car audio system by 3 ways. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is easy to install and suitable for all models. This CarPlay screen supports a voltage range of 7 to 32 volt and is compatible with all vehicle models. With a simple installation process, this unit can be easily installed in any car without the need for specialized tools or equipment. This makes it a convenient and accessible option for all car owners, regardless of the make or model of their car. Includes a vertical stand and 90 degrees rotatable suction cup holder. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.